spreadsheet and a geometric sequence and series. We'll start in the spreadsheet app, and for this sequence it starts with the first term of 100, so we'll use the keys over here to tap in 100 and execute as our first term. Now we need a formula to say this term is going to be a half of the previous, so we start with an equals, tap onto cell A1 and multiply by 0.5 and tick the box or tap execute, and you can see here we go. Now let's just find a new method for copying this formula down. We've seen we can copy and paste it, we can use fill range. A third method is to tap onto the cell, and I've just tapped and I'm going to tap again. This time there is no no black border. If I tap again, there is a black border. Tap again, there is no white border. Now when you tap and don't get a white border, you can drag the cell down one, as I've just done, and let go. Tap and drag, tap and drag, and you can see it's, if you only have a few cells to go, it's a pretty quick way to actually extend your sequence. Now in column B, let's create the sum of these terms. So we'll start off in cell B1 and tap equals the number in A1, the first term, and tick execute. Now we need a formula in here to add the 100 to the 50 and get the result in here. So here we go, we'll tap onto equals B1 plus A2. Note, remember the formula is shown in the bottom of the screen down here just to check that it's all going to plan. We'll tick tap on the tick and the formula's in. Now we'll use that same method, so I'm tapping, there's no border, and I can drag and let go. Tap, drag, let go. Tap, drag, let go. So we've got the first few terms. Now if you want to copy a whole row down, then we select the whole row and we can use the same method, tapping onto the left hand most cell, tap and drag, release, tap, drag, release, tap, drag, release, and so on. So there's a fairly quick way to extend a couple of rows of a sequence. Now of course the beauty of spreadsheets is once we've made up something like this, all we have to do is change the first term, maybe from 100 to 20, and I'll tap execute and the whole spreadsheet instantly updates.